Hey there, welcome back all. Today we'll see more methods of string class. So let's begin. These are the methods which transform the text of the string. The first method is upper. This method returns a copy of string with all the letters converted to uppercase. So let's see. a.py let x equal to hello world print x dot upper. Okay, so let's run. See, all the characters are changed to uppercase. Okay, the next method is lower. This method returns a copy of string with all the letters converted to lowercase. So let's see. b.py x equal to hello world print x dot lower. Now let's run. See, all the characters are converted to lowercase. Okay, now the next is Titlecase. This method returns the string where the first character in every word is uppercase. So let's see. c.py x equal to hello world print x dot title. Let's run. See. Okay, now the next method is Swapcase. As the name indicates, this method should swap the cases. That is, it will change lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. Okay, so let's see. Let the string be this and print x dot swapcase. Okay, so the case is changed from lower to upper and from upper to lower. Okay, now the next method is capitalize. This method converts the first character of the string to capital letter. So let's see. e.py x equal to hello world and we will print this. So let's run. Okay, so h is converted to uppercase. Okay, now next method is starts with. Here we have to pass a parameter. It can be a character or a string. This method will return us true if the string starts with specified value, otherwise false. So let's see. f.py let the string be hello world and we will call x dot starts with. Our string starts with h, so it will return us true and we will print this. So let's see. Running f.py true. Okay, we can also specify the string. So let's see. X dot starts with hello. Let's run. True. Okay, we can also check some wrong value. Let's say x dot starts with world. This should return us false. Okay, so let's run. f.py false. Okay, now similar to starts with, we have a method ends with. This method will return us true if the string ends with the specified value, otherwise false. So let's see. g.py the string is hello world and print x dot ends with d. The string ends with d, so it should return us true. So let's check. Okay, true. We can also pass a string like world. It is ending with world, so it should also return us true. So let's see. Okay, we are getting the correct result. We can check for some wrong inputs also. So let's see. Print x.endswith hello. False. Okay. So these are some useful methods of the string class. They can be used when we are, let's say, fetching data from the database and we have to show all the names in the uppercase or title case or the similar situation. So in these cases, these methods are very useful. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see more methods in the next lecture. Thank you.